But if you don't know how to understand it or what it's used for, wala naman talaga siyang kwenta talaga. Hi, I'm Watch, Managing Director of Mechanism, the secret data intelligence and brand diagnostics arm of IdeasXMachina. Boring to okay lang, wag niyo na panoorin to at your own risk. Ganito kasi yan, we all need data. We need it to understand, we need it to learn something, we use it as pieces of information to drive a certain point in truth. As a concept, it might get overbearing, mahirap siya, but there's really no escaping it. As I said, kailangan natin to. Pero ano kaya kung sabihin ko that data can also be as useless as well, sliced bread? Baka nga mas may pakinabang pa ang tinapay kasi mabubusog ka pa kahit papano. Di ba, Watch? Sabi mo, we need it. Bakit mo nun binasag? You see, data, or big amounts of data, can lead to analysis paralysis. Businesses talk big about data, or big data. But if you don't know how to understand it, or what it's used for, wala naman talaga siyang kwenta talaga. You see, insights and recommendations can only be achieved if you do something weird with data. More so, if you know how to use it properly. In today's digitally driven age, data is needed because digital is the only platform you can measure from end to end. Understanding the digitally powered Filipino today is very important because we need to know what makes them tick and what would make them click. The data we get allows us to create strategies that would drive creative excellence. And these all starts with getting the right insights from, yes, you guessed it, data. In IXM, we redefine the 4 P's of marketing to hinge on data. We procure the data, we precise and play with the data, we continuously measure performance to eventually move into predictability. Understanding human behavior helps us create more solutions and answers for our clients and everyone else. And at the end of the day, it really hinges on our philosophy and understanding of Sekacha. We want to know the human being in the entirety of it, but we also need to know what aspect of it we are using it for. Yes, we need data, but remember, it's not about the big D, but how you use it. I meant data, you nasty.